In this AutoCAD tip, we will see how to change the sizes of the pick box, the crosshair, as well as the grip. So this is useful whenever you're having a hard time picking objects, like in this case here. So type in the command line options, and in display, under crosshair size, you can basically move this slide bar to increase or decrease your crosshair size. And then go to selection, and under pick box size, again, move this slide bar to increase your pick box size. And under grip size, move the slide bar to increase the size of your grip. And you can also change your grip colors by selecting this button right here. I'm going to change it to red, hit OK, apply, and OK. Now, as you can see here, the size of my pick box as well as the crosshair changed. And if you select an object here, the color and the size of this grip changed as well.